guys, we're back. 150,000 coins in packs. It is coming your way. The first 50,000 is going to a BCA pack. So, let's get into it. Whoa. Oh, there we go. Elite, our first pack. Teddy Bridgewater, yeah. I got an elite in my first pack.
Really?
Yep, in a BCA pack. Now all the rest is going to pro packs.
Let's see.
Well, now I'm doing pro packs.
No, you doing your video?
Yeah. '83.
Update your team.
I will, after I'm done. Next one. Well, we got an elite right off the bat. Randall Cobb. Oh, punter. Don't need, but tight end. If you watch my other videos, that's all we get are tight ends. What's that one? Safety. Next pack. Another safety. Okay, I don't know how many packs we have left, but next one. I don't feel like doing math. Alright, running back. Let's go. There. Dang it. Not getting too good of luck. First pack. That's it. Middle linebacker. Reveal all. And dang it. Alright. To our routine. 59 overall. Alright, so Bill. 83, but James Winston, that's who we have. And this is our last pack. And reveal Tyrod Taylor. Right, so let's go into see the pulls we got. There's our elite. So we didn't get bad luck, but we didn't get good luck either. So, see you guys in the next episode, which will be soon. So, see ya. Bye.